The number for the National Suicide Prevention Hotline is about to get a lot easier to remember.
You'll be able to reach the hotline by dialing 988 beginning this weekend. News 8's government reporter Garrett Berquist asked officials how they'll handle the increased call volume.
Division of Mental Health officials say they feel confident they can handle the increased call volume after Saturday. They say they've been preparing for this for the past 3 years.
The health department says suicide is the second leading cause of death for people in Indiana between ages 10 and 34. Officials say 988 will be much easier to remember than the current National Suicide Prevention number.
We actually used to have 5 active National Suicide Prevention Lifeline centers prior to the pandemic, and we lost 2 of those centers, one in 2020 and another in 2021. And despite those 2 losses and minimal funding from private grants, we've been able to increase our incident answer rate to the 70% range, and that includes increases seen during the pandemic. So we feel very confident in the group that exists today.
The number of call centers in this state is now back up to 5. That includes a Better Way in Muncie. Care coordinators there say recruiting more call handlers has been surprisingly easy.
You have people who are really seeing the need for suicide awareness and suicide prevention. And so there have, been more people who have been interested in those types of positions.
Officials say if you call the 211 number or the Be Well helpline and it becomes apparent that you are experiencing a mental health crisis, they say those numbers will be able to transfer over to one of the 988 call centers. At the State House, Garrett Bergquist, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.